today I'm making an appleberry pie for Valentine's Day. It's really sweet, it's really delicious. It fits, it works for Valentine's Day. We're gonna take flour, sugar, salt, clean hands, mix it up, butter, and you're gonna pat it softened butter as opposed to cold butter, making a different kind of a crust. You're gonna squish it into the flour, just keep it going, keep rubbing it through your fingers until you get sand. Add water. You might need a little more water, a little less. I'm using about 4 tablespoons, but keep it going until you have dough. If you want to, you can use frozen pie crust. I'm just too lazy to go to the store. It's just throw a little flour, salt, and sugar together and make dough. You're gonna roll it out. Just roll it out quick. Sloppy is fine, pull it down. Don't worry about the outside because this one does not have to be pretty on the rim because we need crust to hold in the juices. Filling. I have Granny Smith and Honey Crisp. Add to that granulated sugar, brown sugar, cornstarch, salt, and you're gonna toss it. Just get them really coated, and what'll happen is you'll start to feel the syrup developing from the apple, the salt, the sugar. So as soon as you're starting to get sauce in the bottom of the bowl and everything's coated, I'm gonna add boiled cider, toss again. I'm gonna pull this over. All right, now, so you're just gonna start to take your apple, just go around in a circle. Then you're gonna take your berries. I'm using raspberries and strawberries. You can use any berry that you want. If you like blueberries, blackberries, it's pretty, number one. And number two, you get sweet, tangy, tart. You wanna get a different quality in every bite. You're gonna make a second circle with the apples. I use up all the fruit that doesn't get eaten from the week. If there's a little bit of something left over, I bake it. We were brought up, you don't waste. You find something to do with it. Rachel adds rosemary, I add sugar. Rest of your berries. It's really pretty, it's really easy. Take the crust and really make a shelf, a bowl, because this will bubble like crazy. It'll reduce in size, obviously, fruit reduces. And now we're gonna put a little streusel topping on it. Got a little flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, salt, and a little butter. And again, you're just gonna work it till you have a wet, sandy mixture, sandcastle mixture. It's not going to be covered completely. The fruit's gonna stick out, the colors are gonna stick out. Okay, you're gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven, center oven, for an hour, hour and 15. And at the end of an hour, start to look at it. What you wanna see is that fruit really bubbling and the top a real golden brown. And when it's done, it will look like this. You must let it cool completely before you cut into it or you're gonna lose it. Happy Valentine's Day, enjoy.